Videos are early birds on steel brain rot. Sorry, I'm doing this on my tablet because my phone went dead. I will busy just create the poll, so my brother's asleep, so this is gonna be hard. Good night.
So you can't match the power of cards. That's what I'm saying. Can't match the power of cards in the Stone Cube minigame. I'll make it even. Dude, Nick, tell me a problem that cannot be solved.
I think that's a no sound.
You chose the one that is best at building. What? Sure, you're sabotaging me.
Don't lie.
I told you to build
Doing this on my tablet.
arena, not the stone.
Everyone, it's time for round 3. So as you can all see, ice arena. Good luck trying to mace anyone around here.
Okay, well, why me specifically?
Hi.
You're gonna be fighting Sharpness in the first fight. Well, good luck. Don't need it against him.
AJ was right though. An arena made of ice was really bad for me. Not only does ice favor sword PvP because of its movement speed increase, and sharpness is already better than me at, but I know mace tricks that can help me win on ice. It's just that I can't use any of them if I want a chance at beating Flame in the finale.
I don't even need the mace to win fights. I just need you to show up. And yeah.
Okay, you're just so bad at this. Oh my god, you're just like the least intimidating person on the entire planet, bro.
You're cooked though, Wembu. It's over for you. I bet you never tried ice anything before, and
I mean,
the mace
who has?
insane, bro. What do you mean who has? I've literally practiced this for so long.
Why?
You're gonna see. Because I knew there were gonna be
Just
moments like this.
10
Alright,
o'clock.
bro, we're cooked.
We're cooked. Yeah, you know. Like going down. No, I just mind the door. Good enough.
There you go. Change here.
Oh, you like my charges.
Alright guys, I'll promise not to hate me.
Oh, ice. Yes. Oh my god. Thank god for the ice. Oh. Dude, you're literally never gonna be able to hit me. You just look dumb with the mace. Why'd you even bring it here? Oh, wait.
Why buy a brand new car when you can lease from the UK's largest and most trusted?
Bro. Ice is OP, oh my god.
Lucky block.
What?
Lucky block.
Oh, you're good. Let's go. Oh, you're good.
Dude,
Bro, that's never gonna kill me now. You got pots.
Coco Fanto Elefante.
Wait, come here, Wembu. Hello.
But then I realized something. Flame just wasn't here for some reason. He wasn't watching the fight. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. And as long as Flame wasn't watching, then I could do whatever I want.
shoot, no.
Wait, what?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was not even attacking you because I thought you were doing some dumb stuff. I didn't even know there was a strap. What? Bro. I'm out the fishing rotations back. Oh, no. No.
Oh my god. Yo, chat, I got money man puggy with 10x. Holy shit.
Bro, this guy did some weird strategies. What the hell is this?
Holy. Quick.
Yes.
No, he's doing this.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
with 10x. Holy shit. Hey, look, I joined. Yo. Holy shit. Oh, spider as well. Holy shit.
The spinning wheel thing still there? Are you money for?
Yeah.
How long is it there for?
It's here for a month.
How long left?
You still got about 3 weeks. 2.
Should I just join and like spend like an hour doing it?
Yeah, holy shit, chat.
Is that abuse going?
Yeah, no, hour. Kieran, I just got a money puggy with 10x.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, I know.
Wake him up and get him out.
Holy shit.
Sure.
Yeah?
Wake him up and get him out, or just wake him up. He's going to have abuse, it's not in my room.
Holy Kieran. So, by the way, can you get out of the room? Okay, and guess what else I got? A money puggy just spawned with 10x luck in my server, and it got spider trait. And that was just for early birds. Look, do you want to have a quick look? Here. Spider trait. Just spawned. Holy shit. I'll wake you up when I'm in abuse, or if you want, I can do it. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Like, that, it got the bit, like, what the hell? And that is the best thing that ever spawned during early birds. Hey, see that lucky block? Not mine. Not lucky block in that one. Holy shit. Holy.
Giraffa Celeste.
What the fuck? Holy.
Lucky Block.
Oh, wrong base. When I heard money puggy, I was like, wait, what? Imagine it was cyber. Oh, damn. Damn, that's on video as well. So sorry for the language, you know. Wait, not global. Is it global? Don't think it is, but it's not really that way. No. Second I had money puggy, I was like, wait, what? My reaction said it all. Sorry for my language. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and take every little like thing we don't need, putting on another account. So we got them. So now I couldn't get it sooner. That's a W. That's a W. Holy no. If I get a last secret, nah. If I get a last secret out of one of the lucky blocks, I'm gonna get a OG in this Salmon Abuse or next Salmon Abuse. I swear down. I swear on my man life. If I get a last secret, I'm going. Look at that. Puggy. Money Puggy. Best thing whatever spawned. So I'll have to come on another account, leave on that account, come on another account, and then you put all my other things on that account. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in that video. I will see you in 51 minutes. Peace.